What's up, everyone? This is Achil, and today I want to talk about how to stop procrastinating when it comes to learning social skills. Social skills obviously entails a lot of different challenges. You have to learn how to use your voice, your body language, creativity, storytelling, style. There's a lot, and it can be very, very overwhelming. So most people, they look at that and say, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to focus on my career. I need to finish this and that project, get to this and that milestone, and then I will actually start learning social skills. But they never do it. And so they get trapped in that. And here are two thoughts that you can use to avoid that trap. The first one is that actually those other areas, those other projects that you're prioritizing right now, they are suffering and sometimes even stuck because you're not devoting enough time to social skills development. If you had an amazing friend circle, a really great partnership, and good social skills, all those other projects would be much easier and you would be making much more progress there. Because imagine how much time and how much energy you have if you have the social life in good shape. The other thought that really helps is to realize that you're missing out on opportunities every single day where you don't learn this. You see people all the time that are passing by and you don't know how to talk to them. And it's not just that you will lose out on these single opportunities, you're also getting older and it's also getting harder for you to break out of these habitual pathways in your brain. It is a new skill that you need to learn, and it's always better to learn it as early as possible because that's when your brain is still malleable and easily trainable. And so it's never too late, but it's always good to start now and actually take this area of life and devote some time to it and say, in this one period of my life, I'm going to make it a focus project. I'm not going to just do this on the side and procrastinate on it. I'll actually devote some time and say, this is my main priority. And then once you get to a certain level of skills there, you actually can keep that skill for the rest of your life and it doesn't go away. It's similar to learning how to drive a car. You do a driving license at some point in your life, you'll have to spend a few months, and then you have a skill and it just doesn't leave you. If you have experience with procrastinating on social skills, let me know. I'd love to hear. Put them into the comments. And we also have free workshops coming up every week. Hit the link in the description below and also hit the like and subscribe button.